right, what's up guys? Good morning. Thanks for joining me today. We've got the 0 to 60 cruise this morning. I'm currently on my way there. We got to get some gas and then we can go ahead and park up there. I'm not sure what it's going to look like, so to be determined. We'll see.
Yeah, with my work truck, I go about 9.
Alright guys, so we've set out on the drive. We're going down to Colorado Springs and then going through the mountains back up. It's going to be pretty cool. Alright guys, after a ton of totally legal driving, we have arrived at our first stoplight. I think we're going to get something to eat. I'm not sure though, but we'll see you there. I'll take some cool videos there. Go. It looks better from the outside because of my windshield, but alright, I guess another Elantra friend is joining us. I'm very confused. I think he just saw us cruising and then hopped in, but let's get it, gamers. This color of blue. I'm glad he's in front of me. I have never been to this part of Colorado before. Is this guy about to pass me? That's crazy. All right, bro. Oh wait, he's with us, that's why. I totally forgot he was with us. I was like, what the fuck, just some random guys going crazy? Yeah, this guy has a fucking Hemi swap on that, so he's definitely gonna pass me. Now this here's God's country, ain't no part-timers around these parts. We only work 60 hours a goddamn week on a Tuesday afternoon, you know what I'm saying, brother? This ain't no place for no libtards, no part-timers, no soft hands, soft lip having ass motherfuckers. We have now ended up in a forest, which is awesome, a great change of scenery. Especially with these, you know, sweet cars near us. We've got a, let's see, can we see in the, there we go. We've got a Corvette and a Supra behind us. That's awesome. Well guys, I've got some bad news. Unfortunately, I got separated at a light from everybody else and I did not see where they went because they kind of just went straight over the top of a hill, if that makes sense. So I couldn't see where they went from there, and then by the time that I got the green light, I was not able to find them anymore. So I tried messaging a couple people that I knew their Instagrams from the cruise, but I don't think they follow me back, so I just went to the message request field, you know. So I haven't heard anything back. I'm just gonna head back home, I guess. I'm a little sad because I wanted to keep going, and I'm really hungry. So I think they stopped at a place to eat, but I don't know. Maybe I'll get them next time. Yeah, I'll catch you guys back home. All right, guys. As way to make it up for myself after being so frustrated for losing everybody on the rally, I purchased some tickets to Las Vegas for the weekend, so I'll catch you guys there. What up? We got a little change of scenery. We're in Vegas, and we found a brother. Look at that. Hey guys, how's it going? This is post-vacation Vlad. Can you see me? What up? So we made it back. We're all good and everything, obviously. But I actually did not film an outro for the first vlog. And actually, oh my God, I don't even know if I filmed one for the second one. I really hope I did. That'd be sweet. But here's me being unprofessional, saying thanks so much for watching. Before I hand you off, there's one cool thing I just did. I gotta show you guys. I have got the stickers for the N badges on the front here. So I made them the Romanian flag, just like over here. Over here, the blue's in front, but I don't think it really matters which orientation it is. Because obviously, you know, on a flagpole, the blue is always gonna be on one side. So like if you flip the flag over, you know what I'm saying. But so here we go. I just made the little one, the red one, because it's really hard to get a sticker in there. And then the middle one is the yellow, obviously, and then we've got blue on the end. And we've got that situation happening on the other side as well, so reppin', I don't know. But again, thanks so much for checking out the vlog. I appreciate y'all. Thanks for everybody for tuning in, and if you're new to the channel, smack subscribe. Who is this asking for subscribers? I think I'm developing a need for numbers. But yeah, thanks so much. I'll see you in the next one. I'm really excited for that one. Toyota Supra vlog up next. Peace.